50 tons per square meter, it's robust enough for parking lots, campgrounds, and other areas that handle a large number of vehicles. This grid system is built with durability and sustainability in mind. The material used is recycled polyethylene, addressing environmental concerns while ensuring the product remains strong and long-lasting. The grid's open design allows water to pass through easily, preventing pooling or erosion and helping maintain a natural and visually appealing surface. The design is also user-friendly. The grids connect using a simple clip system, which makes assembly quick and straightforward. A single pallet contains 112 pieces, enough to cover approximate or driveways. It provides a solid foundation that stays in good shape over time. Number 7. Velux EWR Flashing. The Velux EWR Flashing and Insulating Set XDP Thermo is a modern solution designed to make roof windows more efficient, durable, and weatherproof. This innovative system not only enhances the functionality of roof windows, but also ensures they maintain their energy efficiency and aesthetics over time. It's particularly useful for installations in areas prone to heavy rainfall or snow, as its advanced waterproofing system eliminates the risk of leaks. The set includes a combination of foam insulation, a soft membrane skirting, and cladding that work together to provide excellent heat retention. This is especially important for keeping weather conditions. The flashing system is compatible with a variety of roofing materials, such as slate tiles or roofing sheets, making it versatile for different types of roofs. It can also be installed at 2 levels, either at the roof level or recessed 40 millimeters deeper for a sleeker appearance. Maintenance is minimal, requiring only occasional removal of debris or snow buildup. This ensures the system remains functional without much effort. The flashing and insulation also help with soundproofing, which adds an extra layer of comfort. Number 6. Precast concrete box culvert. Precast concrete box culverts are like the Swiss Army knives of modern construction. They're designed to manage water flow, protect infrastructure from erosion, and make sure everything stays where it's designed, allows them to be stacked and connected easily, creating a seamless passage for water under roads, bridges, and buildings. This setup not only simplifies installation, but also cuts down on time and labor costs, making it an efficient choice for construction projects of all sizes. One of the biggest benefits of precast concrete box culverts is their ability to protect pipes from damage. Encasing pipes in concrete shields them from impact and external stress, which can significantly prolong their lifespan. The culverts are available in straight or curved sections, giving engineers the flexibility to fit them into complex urban settings, whether it's for a winding road or a tricky intersection. This adaptability ensures that these culverts can be used in a variety of projects, from stormwater management to install them correctly. Number 5. XL joint. The XL joint is more than just a piece of construction hardware. It's a game changer for rooftop design and functionality. This system is primarily used to waterproof joints and connections on rooftops, making it ideal for everything from residential buildings to large-scale commercial projects. The unique design of the XL joint ensures that water doesn't seep through, even in the heaviest of rains, protecting the building's interior from leaks and water damage. One of the standout features of the XL joint is its versatility. It can be used for both new constructions and renovation projects, adapting to various roof types and materials. Whether you're dealing with flat roofs, pitched roofs, or complex multi-layer designs, or complex equipment, just a few basic tools are enough to get the job done. The installation process is straightforward and can often be completed in a single day, depending on the size of the area being covered. It can be used with a range of roofing materials, including asphalt shingles, metal panels, and concrete tiles. This makes it a go-to solution for a wide variety of roofing projects, whether you're working on a small residential roof or a large commercial property. The system's flexibility also extends to its design. It can be customized to fit specific roof shapes and sizes, ensuring a perfect fit every time. Number 4. Curtis. Curtis is all about turning dull facades into something special. This system uses thin clay tiles held in place by stainless steel clips, with a lifespan of about 60 years. They're not just visually appealing, they're also fire-rated A1, meaning they're safe to use even in buildings with strict safety codes. The panels are pre-assembled at the factory, which makes installation quicker and more straightforward. There's no mess or glue involved. Just snap them into place with the stainless steel clips and you're done. The panels are made from thin clay tiles, which are not only lightweight, but also environmentally friendly. They require fewer resources to produce compared to traditional bricks, and because they're thin, they're less likely to burden the building's structure. This makes them a smart choice for anyone looking to upgrade the exterior of a building without compromising on sustainability. Certus brings a modern, chic look to any building. What makes Styropor stand out is its ability to provide a complete building envelope solution. No extra insulation is needed for exterior walls. This makes it a favorite among builders who want to construct homes that are ready for any weather conditions without additional materials or complexities. The bricks used in Styropor aren't your typical clay or concrete. They're designed with EPS in the middle. This combination provides excellent thermal insulation, cutting heat loss through walls by 20 to 25%, something that translates directly to lower energy bills for homeowners. The EPS layer acts as a barrier against both heat in summer and cold in winter, making these homes comfortable year-round. It's like living in a cooler in the summer and a warmer in Plus, the bricks and EPS are durable, meaning the homes built with Styropor can withstand Turkey's diverse climate, from scorching summers to harsh winters, without losing their energy efficiency. Number 2. 3D printed clay blocks. 3D printed clay blocks are making waves in the construction world with a technology that's almost like something out of science fiction. Imagine this: a giant robot that squeezes out clay layer by layer, just like frosting from a piping bag. It's creating building components that are stronger, more durable, and way more versatile than what we're used to. This isn't just about fancy designs, it's about efficiency and sustainability. The robot builds up shapes that would be impossible to make with traditional methods, like curved walls, making it a more sustainable option for builders who care about their environmental impact. It's like getting the durability of concrete without all the baggage, literally. The blocks themselves are incredibly versatile. They can be molded into almost any shape, which opens up all sorts of design possibilities for architects and builders. Whether it's a small roof for a temporary structure or a full building, the blocks can be adapted to fit the needs of the project. Plus, because they're printed on site or prefabricated in a factory, they're quick to assemble. No need for extensive formwork or detailed plans. This makes construction faster and more efficient, which is a big advantage when time is money. Number 1. Zellige. Zellige tiles are a beautiful and timeless piece of craftsmanship that originates from Morocco, used as a wall covering or floor tiling. The process of making Zelix tiles is labor-intensive, but worth every effort. Each tile starts as a piece of raw clay, which is shaped and then left to dry in the Moroccan sun. The tiles are then painted by the hand with intricate patterns, using traditional techniques that have been refined over centuries. This hand painting ensures that no two tiles are exactly alike, making each piece a one-of-a-kind work of art. Once painted, the tiles are baked in a kiln at temperatures ranging from 800 to 1000 degrees Celsius, giving them their distinctive glaze and durability. Today, Zelix tiles are more affordable and accessible than ever, thanks to advancements in manufacturing. Factories now produce tiles that mimic the hand-painted look spaces. Thanks for watching another episode. While you are still here, make sure to click the video on your screen for more quality content.